So we are going to install zipline-live 2 and make sure that the command line tool works. So first, let's create a virtual env with the name test. I'm going to pause the video every time that stuff happened to make sure it goes faster. So I pause it now. So we got that installed. Let's check if we have the command line tool working, and it's not. Let's see the packages that we have installed. We have none, so we install it like this: pip install zipline-live 2. I'm going to pause it again till it completes. So it's completed. Now let's make sure that we have packages installed. We can see that we have version 13070, zipline Quantopian zipline version is 130, and we extend it. So that is why the version is so long. Now let's check the command line tool, and yeah, now that works. Let's ingest the Quantopian bundle, the default bundle. So it's Quantopian bundle. Let's check that ingestion works. We do it like this, and again I will pause the video so it will be shorter. That works. Now let's see the ingested bundles. We can see that we have the latest one ingested right here, right now. And in the next video, we'll see how we can use zipline-live 2 to do a backtest. Thanks.